Hi friends, this is Raghu, your advocate. One man rapes, all get punished. Supreme Court's gang rape judgment 2025. Namaskar. Today we are diving deep into a landmark Supreme Court judgment that shakes the conscience and strengthens the spine of our criminal justice system. Can all men be punished for gang rape even if only one committed the act? The Supreme Court says yes, if there is a common intention. Let's unravel the powerful verdict. Let's go into the background of the case. In a small town in Madhya Pradesh, a young woman named R stepped out to attend the wedding, but joy turned into horror. She was abducted at night, confined, and repeatedly raped. Two persons, Raju and Jalandhar, were arrested. Raju said, "I didn't rape her," but does that excuse hold water? The court didn't think so. Here, the key legal issues were being this case raises three legal questions. Can all be held guilty if one rapes? What role does a victim's voice play in convicting rapists? And can a rape be called a caste atrocity just because the victim is Dalit? Let's see how our India's top court answered. Supreme Court's stand on gang rape. The Supreme Court made it crystal clear. In gang rape, if one commits the act and the other shares the intention, all are guilty. Section 376(2)(g) IPC, it's not about who penetrated, it's about who participated with intent. And that's a warning to all who think silence and support won't take them guilty. Testimony of the victim matter. The court said it loud and clear. A victim's testimony is enough. R stood in court, eyes heavy with trauma, and said, "They raped me. They confined me. They threatened me. She didn't need wounds to prove her truth. Her words were her weapon. Her truth were her justice." Where the court drew the line. Raju was also convicted under SC/ST Act, but the court reversed the part. Why? Because there was no evidence that the crime was caste-based motive. Caste was not the reason behind the assault. It was lust, control, violence. Caste-based charges must be backed by caste-based motives. The law is powerful, but it must be fair. Sentence has been modified, but justice has been served. Initially, Raju got life imprisonment, but the court modified it to 10 years to match his partner in crime, Jalandhar. Why? Equality in sentencing. But remember, 10 years behind bars for a few minutes of evil. That's the price of violating his soul. Take away for lessons from this case. This judgment isn't just for lawyers or judges. It's for every woman afraid to speak up, every bystander who say I didn't do anything, and for every man who thinks he can hide behind silence. This judgment says if you stood with a rapist, you are one too, and if the victim speaks, she will be heard. Who should learn from this? Law students, medical professionals, police officers, listen up. This case teaches us that common intention means common guilt. Consent cannot be assumed. Outdated practices like two-finger test must be ended. Caste charges must be legally grounded, not just emotionally still. Final words, law with a heartbeat. This isn't just a legal story, it's a human story. A young woman fought back. She stood against fear, shame, and silence. The system for once stood with her. This judgment is her voice echoing through the halls of justice. Let it echo forever. Jai Hind. For more like these types of videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.